Hello children, once again welcome. This is your EVS period and we are learning our neighborhood and our neighbors. And here are some places we learn about marketplaces, clinic, hospital. Now third one is a fire station. At the fire station, the fire engines are kept in readiness. If there is a fire in the neighborhood, the fire engine are called to put out the fire. These are big and red vans with bales, ladders, and water horses. Means, see, here are some pictures are there. Okay, you know na fire station. And what they are having, big ladders are there. Why? Because sometimes first, second stores are the buildings are there. Sometimes fire is in a two or third floor. That time with the staircase it is not possible for us. That time they are using that ladder, as well as there is a big tank is there with the water and big pipes are there. They are using all those things, and with all that there is a siren also there, and bell is also there on that van, in just like a ambulance. But here is a one big bell is there on that van. That is a very useful vehicle when there is a fire in our neighborhood or in our cities or in emergency position. Fourth one, police station. The neighborhood also has a police station. The police station helps us when we are in trouble. We must report to the police if our valuables have been stolen. They maintain law and order and catch thieves and criminals. This is a very important thing for us. Because why, student? Because sometimes our valuable things are there, vehicles are there, or we can say anything is there. Suppose what we can say, some are taking our jewelries or monies, they are stolen from our house or anywhere. That time the people went to the police station. Police inspectors are there and they maintain law and order. They search here and there, and if they catch the thieves, they put them in a jail. This is a police station. A traffic policeman controls the movement of vehicles and the road on the people on the roads. In case an emergency, dial 100 to call the police. Dial 101 to call the fire brigade. Dial 102 to call the ambulance. These are in our India. There are 3 emergency numbers are there: 001, 011, 102 for 101 for fire brigade, 102 for ambulance. Because this is a very easy number, we can easily by heart, we can easily remember those numbers. So these numbers are useful for common people, but don't make any kind of a fun. Don't dial if there is an emergency, if there any real problem will be there, that time only you dial this number. Don't make fun of those things. If you are doing, they give us punishment. Don't make any fun of those numbers. You know, not traffic police, what he is doing? He is controlling the movements of vehicles as well as he control the roads. Next, banks. We keep money and our valuables in a bank. We deposit our money with the bank and withdraw the money by check or an ATM cards or debit cards when we need it. This is very important place, children. Many of you saw banks. Bank, which kind of a place is that? Bank. Sometimes we are having money, jewelry, any important documents are there. We cannot keep those things in our house. The house is sometimes we are going out of station or we are having any work. That time what we are doing, we are keep our things, variable things in a bank. And so the bank is very useful for these things. Nowadays there is an ATM card. Most of people, students, the ATM machine, ATM cards. With the help of ATM cards, means small card is there. With that card we can easily withdraw or we can deposit also money. Some ATMs are there. In that ATM we can easily deposit our money also. So easily we can deposit money also and we can withdraw our money from ATMs also. This is called the ATM cards. This is there is two kinds of cards are there, ATM cards and debit cards. With the help of these cards we can easily withdraw or we can deposit the money. We can save any time. Suppose at the night time if you want money, that time you can easily withdraw money from the ATM card. You do not want to go direct to the bank also. Bank is giving their company's ATM. Many ATMs are there. You saw in our Sangli also there are different banks ATMs machines are there. Just we having our own debit card of that bank, then and then only we can withdraw money from that machine, ATM machine. You understand that? What we learn, tell me. There in our neighborhood there are many places are there. Our neighborhood having many people, our neighbors are there, we are helping them. We should keep our neighborhood clean. As well as there is a marketplace is there. In that marketplace there are different kinds of shops are there. Grocery shops are there, chemist shops is there, clothes shops is there, bookstalls are there. Then we are having different kind of different types of supermarkets also there. Then clinics and hospitals. Nowadays the clinics and hospitals are playing very important role in our life. Then fire stations are there. In fire station there is a fire brigade, means we can get easily fire brigade from this fire station. Next, what is that? There is a police station. If there any wrong things happen or something is some valuable or precious money, anything, if you lost or someone stolen, you can complain in a police station. And police station or police inspector, what they are doing, they are maintaining law and order. Second thing is in that another policeman is there. He is a traffic police. He is also controlling traffic and road, and we should follow the roads rules also. And not last but not the least, banks. What the banks are doing, they are depositing our money, they are keeping our things safely in a bank. You understand, children, these things? Yes. I will give you the question answers. Till then, bye bye. You learn that lesson. Try to read the lesson.